Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the right tools and a deliberate first wash. Use 300 GSM cold press paper and tape it flat. This prevents buckling. Lightly sketch proportions and mix a base skin tone by combining warm and cool pigments. Test on scrap so you know value. Once mixed, load a round brush with a very dilute 1/4 wash and paint the planes of the face. Keep edges soft where light wraps. This wet-on-wet base sets value relationships and guides all later layers. Once the base is dry, you build midtones and suggest structure through glazing. Apply multiple transparent layers to deepen value slowly. This avoids muddiness and preserves luminosity. Make the nose with angled strokes to show planes, then render eyes and mouth using a smaller brush and darker, but cool pigments to recede. Make sure to lift highlights with a damp brush where needed to recover light. Transition edges intentionally, soften cheek edges. Keep crispness at the lip line, so the face reads naturally. You finish by refining details and controlling contrast to bring the portrait to life. Add tiny specular highlights to the eye and lip, or reserve paper for the strongest lights, and deepen cast shadows to increase depth. Check overall temperature, warm midtones versus cool shadows, and adjust glazes accordingly. If a section becomes muddy, immediately lift with a clean damp brush or blot with tissue. For stubborn stains, a light scrape or a diluted bleaching lift can help. Practice restraint. Small changes often fix biggest issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.